Good evening, this is Minstead on Thursday the 9th of April 2026. The moves for tonight, beginner moves, you'll find proper teaching videos of those, links to those in the description at the bottom of the YouTube video, but the intermediates, everyone know this, they went 7, 8, so we started off with a yo-yo lasso sway, backwards, forwards, raise and face, return, let go with the left hand signal for the second move, which was a hatchback first, wiggle, pivot, twist, shoulder, round to face, and then we finished off with a half pretzel, wrap round, wrap in, walk round for 1, 2, unwrap and face, round and back. So it starts off right to right with the yo-yo, so you're pushing away, take a step back like a normal yo-yo to begin with, then across the chest, and then out to the side. Now it's a lasso, so if you've never done a lasso before, it's rather like your hand is describing what a plane does in a loop-to-loop. Comes along, there's a loop-to-loop, and then goes down and around behind the lady's back. But it's going over the lady's head as well, okay? So you're in a yo-yo position. So then you're going to step back as you do this. You take your right hand, you pull it round through in between you, up and over the lady's head. You turn the lady once there, and you keep her turning, my hand going down and then around behind the lady's back to wrap her into a sway. You collect, so the lady's done 2 turns there. So sway backwards, forwards. And by the way, if your lady is ever a little bit wobbly coming around from 2 turns, take an extra beat to collect her before you do this way. But anyway, we've done this way, backwards and forwards. Raise your left hand to send the lady out. Face, return. You're going to let go of the left as you step back and signal with your left hand behind your back for move number 2, which is a hatchback first. So you're going to go in, hand across the chest, up to your left shoulder. Lady takes hold of the hand behind your back. Then you extend your right hand out to the right, so the lady pivot to face the same way as you. And then, fellas, you're going to sidestep to your right. Keep facing the same way, across in front of the lady, so careful not to step on her toes. And your right hand, take it up onto your right shoulder, and ladies take a small side step to the left there at the same moment. Left hand's down at waist level in front of the ladies. So we're going to wiggle for 1 beat, which is the purpose of which is to make the lady, prevent her from walking round you, okay? The wiggle keeps the lady still, so we can now move on and do this pivot. So on the next beat, fellas, you're going to let go of both hands. But ladies, you keep your hands where they are, and then you're going to pivot on your own spot to your left and collect like a first move. Okay, so like a normal first move, you twist out, back up to the shoulder, turn, face, return. Then you're going to step back and signal for the final move, which is a half pretzel wrap round. So you're going to start like a pretzel, so then you're going to sidestep in your left foot, sweep the left hand up, lady steps in underneath, takes hold of the hand behind your back with her left hand, elbow pointing down critically. So you're going to take another step to your own left, continue to swap sides. As your left hand goes down, fellas, your right hand goes up, you twist the face, and then you let go behind your back, and you drop your right hand down through in between you and prepare like a Wurlitzer. Sorry, my microphone keeps changing its position. Anyway, so you're like a Wurlitzer briefly. So from here then we're going to wrap the lady into a basket essentially. So you're taking your right hand across to the right and making the lady turn to her left. Lady's going to take your right arm over the top as you wrap in, and then you step in beside your lady. So you keep hold, lady's wrapped into a basket, and you can take hold of her your left hand with her right. So you're now going to rotate in this position, in the basket position for 2 beats, about half a turn. You walk around for 1 and 2, ladies walking backwards, men forwards. And then fellas, you're going to continue to walk around your lady as you turn to face her, sweeping your left hand up and over the lady's head to turn around clockwise and face. Finish off and let go of the right hand as you return. If you want to go back to the beginning routine, you're ready to change hands at the end of that. That's it.